Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by ensuring WhatsApp is updated. This unlocks sticker features and fixes bugs. Once done, open any chat and tap the emoji icon, then switch to stickers. You want the sticker tab visible so you can add content immediately. Next, tap the plus icon to browse official packs. If you already have files or a third-party pack, choose Add or Import. This gets you into the sticker management area quickly, so you can move on to adding custom images. You'll create or import a pack using a Sticker Maker app. These apps guide you to crop and set transparent backgrounds. Make sure each sticker meets WhatsApp specs. 512 x 512 pixels is standard, and keeping files under 100 KB avoids upload errors. Once you've arranged 3 to 30 stickers, give the pack a title and an author name for identification. Then tap Add to WhatsApp. The app will register the pack and hand it over to WhatsApp. You can now open the Sticker tab, select your pack, and tap any sticker to send. Long press lets you add favorites for quick access. If stickers do not appear, make sure to restart WhatsApp first. This resolves many sync issues. If that fails, remove and reinstall the pack from the Sticker Maker app. Also verify file format. WhatsApp requires PNG or WebP with transparent backgrounds. Incorrect formats or missing transparency are the most common causes when imports fail.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.